I have never tried Kuwaiti food before. It's all made by Kuwaiti chefs. So this dish called mutabak zubaydi, and it comes with a zubaydi fish. Love the presentation. It comes with a tomato sauce and some chutney sauce. Rice is cooked with a dill. Let's try this. We're going to add some tomato sauce here, some chutney, and some chili flakes. Full of flavor. Absolutely love the rice and the fish cooked to perfection. And next dish is Mauba Chicken. This dish comes with chicken and with saffron rice and fried onion on top of this. This looks beautiful. Are you ready, guys? It's hot, you can see the stew. Oh, try to engage with food. This dish has a beautiful name, Mawash Mama Anisa, named after his mom, because this is her recipe. So this dish comes with the shrimps and authentic Kuwaiti rice. I'm gonna grab these shrimps. I'm gonna add some tomato sauce, chutney sauce, tamarind sauce on top of this. My bite is ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you never tried Kuwaiti dish before, trust me, I come here, try these dishes. See you in another restaurant.